Away, ama-Palestinians alendile South Africa. I don't understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngahlula ukusebenzisa ingqondo kangaka. This is a distraction. Yes, sanibonani, ngiyaxolisa ukuthetha, ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama. This is a distraction. Khona into abayenzayo and abafuni ubone. Right now, the whole of the black community South Africa, abantu abamnyama are being distracted because we focused la. However, ama-Palestinians have landed. Israel is coming. Angahle. Learn to see a distraction so you actually know ukuthi kwenzekalani. Listen to me mntomnyama, yeka ukufocusa kwinto wrong and focus kwinto ebalekile. Ngomhla ka-20 to umhla ka-23 kuzobe kune-meeting enkulu. This month la eSouth Africa izobe ihostwe yithina and it might be the biggest thing abazama ukuyifihla njengamanje. This is what mina nawe mntomnyama we should be focusing on. G20 summit ezokwenzeka la eSouth Africa ngomhla ka-22 to umhla ka-23. Omunye umuntu uzobuza ukuthi mina ngihlangana nalento lena awukahle mntomnyama. Understand ukuthi ama-minerals, ama-ports, i-energy kanye ne-lithium le etholakale la eSouth Africa are at risk because isitha knows ukuthi Africa is the future and ibona bafuna its minerals, its land and its trade routes. Therefore, the government created into ekuthiwa the strategic access window. Iso la khona they gave isitha a 12 months period yokuthi bona they can bid for i-development le ezokwenzeka la eSouth Africa. Hayi ukuthi sibaphi ownership, no, sibapha ama-right to certain areas la eSouth Africa anomnotho. Yes, mntomnyama, you don't understand. Akekho umuntu ongasuka ePalestine le ahambe adlule iDubai, adlule wonke lamazwe eze la by mistake. Ayikho into enjalo. It is all a distraction ukwenza wena unganaki ukuthi 12 months ago amazwe were bidding for ama-minerals akho and whilst wena